Hi students, in this class we are going to learn about, already we learn about the location of India, and here about India and the world we are going to learn. So India and the world, how it is connecting with the world. So this is called Indian map, and north and south and the west and the east. This are already we know. And if we see total Asian continent, in the total Asian continent, India is being towards the south part of Asia, toward the south part of Asian continent. So while being it is towards the south part, it is well connected to the some European and African countries towards the west part, and towards the east also it is very near to some other countries like Myanmar, okay, Indonesia, like this. Some countries are there, it is being very near, okay. So like this we can see India stretched towards the Indian Ocean, while being towards the south part it is well connected to some western and eastern countries, okay. So towards the western countries here, so European is there, Europe, Africa, but these European people used to travel around the Africa when they want to reach towards the Europe. This is total Europe example. These Europe people used to travel like this to reach India, okay. But by the year of 1869, okay, that canal is there, Suez Canal. This canal opened in the year of 1869. So it will be here very near to the Africa. So through the Red Sea. So here the Suez Canal. While opening this in the year of 1869, the Europe, what's that? So India's distance from Europe has been decreased up to 7,000 kilometers. Understand? Previous, the people used to travel around Africa to reach India, but in the year of 1869, they opened Suez Canal, and while opening that, the distance between Europe and India, it is decreased up to 7,000 kilometers. That is opened in 1869. Like this, India sharing. So that very near, it is being very near towards the European countries and towards the Eastern countries. Okay. And next, we will see. So, India neighbor countries. So about the world, how it is being, and about the Asian continent. In the Asian continent, neighbor countries of India, what are the neighbor countries are there? You can see here Pakistan towards the northwest, part, and also Afghanistan, also northwest part. Two countries are being towards the northwest, understand? And another one here, China is being towards the north part, okay, towards the north part. And also Nepal, next to Bhutan. These three countries are being towards the south part of India, towards the north part of India, okay. Next towards the eastern side, Bangladesh. Next here Myanmar and Bangladesh are being towards the east side of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, next Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are the countries are being, and these are the countries are sharing India boundary with Indian boundary. And also The country Sri Lanka and Maldives are there. This is the Sri Lanka, we know. Maldives. This is called Maldives. So these two are there towards the south part. These two countries are being towards the south part of India. So this Sri Lanka and Maldives are, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel. This we can call a narrow channel. So it is separated by a narrow channel. It's called Park Strait. Park Strait. It is called as a Park Strait. India and Sri Lanka separated by a narrow channel called Park Strait. Okay. So next we can see Myanmar with the Maldives. So Maldives islands are situated of the south of the Lakshadweep. Lakshadweeps are being here toward the south part of Lakshadweep. So it's separated by Mannaru. That's a Gulf of Mannaru. It is called here Gulf of Mannaru. So through this separated Gulf of Mannaru separated by India, and Park Strait separated India and Sri Lanka. So these countries are being towards the south part of India. So this is about India and how it is the boundary of India sharing their boundary with other countries. So like this we can see the boundaries of India. We can see here also. So here the countries are being here, we can see. And so you have to learn particularly, so how many kilometers are here up to Pakistan, how many kilometers sharing boundary with Pak and Afghanistan, so in the with the China. So this you are all have to learn about that, and you have to tell me later. I will ask you, you have to find that. So this is total lesson is being about we learned about India, and location will learn, size learn, and how that India sharing its boundary with other countries of Asian continent, and how it is very close to the European and African and towards the Western countries already will learn. So this is about the first chapter of India, size and location of 9th class. Okay, next we are going to plan to give the worksheet, and you have to complete that worksheet. Okay, now thank you.